Hi, in this lecture I'll show you how to calculate three-stage dividend growth model in Microsoft Excel. As you know, in a three-stage model, the first stage the dividend will grow at a higher rate, and in a second stage the rate will be different, maybe slower than the first rate, and in a third stage it will be a constant growth rate. We'll see how to calculate that using Microsoft Excel. So here also I use the same problem that I explained you using a formula approach. Now here at a 0 year, your dividend paid is $2.73 and dividends are expected to grow at a 25% per year during the next 3 years. So that is growth years in the first stage, that is 1, 2 and 3. For these 3 years, dividend will grow at a 25% and then 15% over the following year. So in 1 year the dividend will grow at a 15% and then 8% per year indefinitely. The constant growth rate is 8%. So what is that we do is, first we calculate the expected dividends. So our expected dividend, this equals to dividend in the beginning or the 0 time period times the growth rate, that is 1.25% is the growth rate in the first stage. Then we drag this for the next 2 years. So in the first stage, these are the dividends that you receive, and the second stage, this equals to previous year's dividend times 1.15 is the growth rate in a second stage. So 6.1314. Then your constant dividend is constant rate, this equals to second stage terminal dividend times 1.08. Right, this is a constant dividend. Now we calculate the present value of these dividends. In the first year, your present value of the dividend is, this equals to present value, the discount rate is 13%, so 0.13 upon, here we select the year. Here this is not a growth years, but select the year, place comma, no PMT is there, place another comma, minus, select your dividend value for that year, close the bracket, press enter, then drag this for the 4 years. So these are the present value of a dividends under 2 stages, that is a 25% dividend growth stage and 50% growth stage. And in 8% there is a constant growth model. First you need to calculate the terminal value. So your terminal value, as you know, terminal value is dividend upon KE minus G. So this equals to constant dividend upon KE, that is a required rate, that is 0.13 minus 0.08. This K minus growth rate need to be in a brackets. Then press enter key. You have a terminal value. Now calculate the present value of this terminal value. So this equals to present value, discount rate is 0.13 or your required rate is 0.13. Then N per 4 years. Then there is no PMT, place another comma, and the future value is minus $132.448. Select this, close the bracket, press enter key. Sum of all your dividends plus terminal value, this equals to 95.05. So the intrinsic value of this particular stock is $95.05. This is how you need to calculate 3-stage growth model in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.